In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your XRP address on Binance. Before I do so, this is Friday Gist. On this channel, I'm video about cryptocurrency and how you can make money from it. If this topic interests you, please do it to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. To get your XRP address, the first step is to open your Binance app. On your Binance app, hit on this place until you deposit. Once you do so, hit on this place until you deposit crypto. It's going to load. All you need to do is to tap on this place that said the search. Then on that search, type for XRP. Then hit on the search. So it's going to pick up this app. Then tap on this XRP repo. There's going to look at a different network. So all you do is to choose the network that you want to send that you need. You get. So you have the Ripple network, BNB Smart Chain network, Ethereum, BNB, Bitcoin. So just tap on this one that said the Ripple. Once you choose your network, you pick up this page right here, and this is your address. You get. So please note every network has their own different address, and you should choose the network that matches in where your asset is. You get. So you have to copy this particular deposit address and copy the SRP tag, or they can now send your access to this particular address. So guys, this is for this video. If any helpful, do it to like. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon, and leave a comment in the comment section. Finally, just say peace out.